This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for July 21st, 2023. It's currently June 2nd, 2023, 2:16 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file for the July 21st reading was created on May 8th, 2023 at 1:04 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme of behavior, it's the prudence card. It's a very tricky card to determine overall trend direction, guys. So be very careful. It usually speaks of multiple false tops, multiple false bottoms, or some sort of like whipsawing that goes on that kind of like shakes you out. Behavior around the highest high. Often you'll see two highs when you see the change card, because it'll be like sideways fluidity and some price swings, and you'll come up against the high twice. But it is a nullified change card, meaning that that may not even take place. Either that or the high is somehow nullified, meaning it's made irrelevant by chart behavior. Behavior around the lowest low. Out of a decline, there's a big move from the bottom of a range all the way to the top of a range out of the low. I'm advised to trade around the establishment of support with some sideways rotation followed by a prominent move higher, standing out on a one-day chart. Volume seems to be overall bearish for the most part. And so we have this rally in the pre-market. Also, there's a significant trade opportunity today, guys. We have this rally in the pre-market here, offering a trade opportunity. So probably what you would do is you would close out of a long position here, or excuse me, close out of a short position that was held probably for several days. You close out of the short position here in the morning. And there's this rally in the pre-market followed by a decline through multiple support levels right around the open, and then bumping up against resistance in the first half hour, leading to a breakdown through multiple support levels, taking us into a low there probably around 10:15. And that'll be the bottom end of an important range. Looks like there's, out of that low, there's a move from the bottom of a range to the top of a range. We either have a crest here at 12 or a crest here at 1:15, or possibly two with a drop in between. But there's a big move from a trough somewhere in that hour, that 12 o'clock hour, maybe closer to 12 than 1. But there's a big move to the upside there to reach probably where the high is for the day, around the 11 o'clock, around the 110, 115 time frame. There'll be three pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp drop off of that third poke there in that 1 to 2 o'clock hour, and then that sharp drop will take us into another. It'll take us to revisit a support level between 2 and 3 that was recently visited, probably the support level we saw earlier in the day. Trade opportunity there as well. Like, you could probably close out of a long position. If you open up a long position at this Empress card here before the big move to the upside midday, you could probably close out of that long position when we're seeing three pokes through the same price level. And that probably takes place somewhere between 1 and 3, actually. And then from those three pokes through the same price level and that crest with a sharp drop that takes us to revisit a support level that was recently visited there in the 2 to 3 o'clock hour, that decline then continues into the post market, into the last hour, and then right around the close we have three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level and a crest that we sell off from into the post market. Likely open lower the following day. Well, there's an important price level that's highlighted. We have a cross-rating congruency here, Princess of Discs, and the sneak preview for it is the Princess of Discs. So cross-rating congruency, super important day here. A lot of money that can be made, and it looks like we probably go from like this trough, but I think we probably open higher, turning resistance into new support at the day's high there on the 24th, first thing in the morning. And that's the S&P 500 for July 21st, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here at our resources tab. 5% of the profits forward to a charity, 5% of the profits back to the channel, and spend that 90% out of love. You follow those rules, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel. Blessings to all my angel investors following those rules. I'll see you guys on the next one.